First, we have our fresh methi. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we are going to be making Methi Matar Malai.
Yes.
This dish has been requested daily for how many days
long
now,
time.
Ashish?
A lot, yeah. And he keeps saying he's going to keep requesting until we do it?
Until we make it, yes. So thank you very much, Ashish Kantia, for the repeated requests for Methi Matar Malai.
Sounds good.
Let's do this. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make Methi Matar Malai. We have the fresh methi, butter, malai, onion, ghee, cashew nuts, garlic, ginger, green chili, and cumin seeds. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. Okay, the first step, we're gonna prepare the paste for the Methi Matar Malai. We'll put the cashews in a blender. Along with the green chilies. The cumin seeds, the garlic, the ginger, and finally the onion. Now we'll blend it into a paste. I have the kadai over low heat. I'm going to add the ghee. Once the ghee melts down, we're going to add the onion paste that we just created. We'll cook this down for about 5 minutes. It's cooked down nicely. Very aromatic. Smells wonderful. Now we'll add the methi. And we'll add about 1/4 cup of water. And we'll saute the methi for a few minutes. Next, we'll add the butter. Finally, we'll add the malai. We'll cook this down for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then it'll be ready. It's finished simmering. All that's left to do is put it into a bowl, and then we'll put it to the test. Wow, how does that look?
It looks really, really good.
It smells wonderful too.
It does.
You ready to put it to the test?
I am.
All right, let's do it.
Dig in.
Well, Ashish, I hope this was worth the wait. It smells incredible.
It does. It really does.
Yeah, this is the first time we've ever tried the dish. We've never even tried it in a restaurant before.
No, so I'm not sure, but it looks like it would be a side dish.
It does. It looks like it'd be a side dish.
So if you let us know what you eat with it, or if this is just a meal, or light
Yeah, light snack.
snack. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Let's put it to the test.
Okay.
So we're going a bit of a different route this time. We have some naan to go with it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. Am I ever glad that you were asking every single day? Wow.
Wow.
This might be the time for the Mumzies and Papa Happy
my
Dance
goodness.
together. This has some serious, serious flavor in it.
That is so good.
Delicious.
It's so good.
Yeah, this one is definitely deserving of both. Wow. I've never had fresh fenugreek before
No,
either.
me either. That is so good.
Wonderful combination.
This is gonna be in our repertoire.
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Thank you.
It's not heavy either. With the ghee and the malai, I was thinking that it would probably be a heavy dish, but
No.
it's not.
It's very light and kind of refreshing.
Yeah. Yeah, the fenugreek leaves really stand out.
They do.
I mean, even more so than the mutter, I think.
Yes, me too. But, oh, it's delicious.
Methi, methi, methi.
So good.
Good. Whoa. Serious flavor. Wow. Well, I'm running out of adjectives.
This is a favorite. This is a favorite. This is so good.
Next up, Manjeet Singh. Got some big shoes to fill here,
Oh
Manjeet.
my goodness. I think you can do it.
We'll give our best.
Yes,
That's
we
for
will.
sure. Yeah, once again, we'd just like to say thank you to Ashish Kantia. This has just been absolutely wonderful.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was so good.
Yeah.
It is so good.
Yeah, and thank you everyone for watching the videos. We greatly appreciate it. Until next time.
Bye. It is. Oh my gosh, spectacular. This is a favorite.